Meanwhile, legal practitioner Liberus Oshoma, in an exclusive interview with TV360, responded to the Court of Appeals ruling nullifying the expulsion of Martins Amawele and 24 others from the Rivers State House of Assembly by the Rivers State High Court. Oshoma emphasized that the Rivers State High Court lacked jurisdiction to adjudicate such a case. He also criticized the Okojembo faction, suggesting they used procedural rights as a cover to claim the Speaker's position.
What the Jumbo faction did was to hide under the what do you call it, fundamental right enforcement procedure to ask the court to determine the tenure of members by saying that his right as a speaker is about to be threatened. And I also said that the High Court of the Rivers State High Court clearly lacks jurisdiction. And so I'm not surprised by this ruling today of the Court of Appeal. And quickly, for the so that I yield the floor for my colleague and brother, I want to quickly draw attention. Section 251 of the Constitution vests jurisdiction on the Federal High Court. It says, subject, notwithstanding anything to the contrary contained in this Constitution, in addition to other jurisdiction has been conferred upon it by the Act of the National Assembly, the Federal High Court shall have an exercise jurisdiction to the exclusion of any other court in civil matters and causes are unlisted. And so if you go to that section 272, subsection 3, it was the first alteration number 28 of 2010. It says that subsection was added to section 272. It says, subject to the provision of section 251 that I read just now, and other provision of this Constitution, the Federal High Court shall have jurisdiction to hear and determine the question as to whether the term of office of a member of a state House of Assembly of a state, a governor or deputy governor, has ceased or become vacant. So what the court simply said is, that the State High Court lacks jurisdiction to hear and determine questions on the vacancy of members of a state House of Assembly or governor or deputy governor. And also the court went further to say that even that order, granting an ex parte order in itself, was an aberration. That was a denial of fair hearing.